How to delete profile on VS Code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete the profile on VS Code. In order to delete a profile in VS Code, first of all, open the VS Code application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, now in this page, you will need to click on the file option at the very top and then select the preferences option. Once selected, here now click on this profile option. Simply click on it and then a menu will appear at the right side. Now click on this profiles option. You may also directly click on the settings option and then select the profile. And from here you will get to see the option profiles. Alternatively, you can also use these steps in order to reach to this profile page. Now once you reach to this page, from the left side, find the profile that you'd like to delete. Once you find the profile, you just simply need to click on the three dots icon at the right side of it, or you may also right click on it in order to access this menu. In this menu, now select this delete option. Once selected, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen in order to confirm. If you are really sure to delete it, go ahead and click on this delete button right here in order to confirm. By doing so, you will see the selected profile has been removed. Now this will delete the profile and its associated settings from the VS Code. And if you are logged into that profile, after deleting, you will be switched to the next profile. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete profile on VS Code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.